Hi friends, now we are going to talk about a situation where you want to put, suppose, uh, uh, let me show you what I'm talking about. So there is a situation where you have certain company code, and based on the different payment terms you put, okay, you want the payment terms to block the invoice. Okay, so if I put here, if you see the payment terms is NT30. For this, I want a special block for this. Whenever these have payment terms, I want to block it so that I don't know. There's a special requirement for based on the vendor or based on the payment terms. Okay. So what how you can set this up? So in order to do this, you have to go to a transaction called OBB8. Okay. So I go to OBB8. Okay. And here, suppose I will just go down to NT30 where there is NT30. Oops, not yet. There it is. And here I'll put suppose a block, suppose credit block, and I'll save it. So when I do this, next time when I come inside this transaction, so if you notice there's no, the payment block is free for payment. If I now go to FB60 and we go to the same transaction, and this is based on the payment terms. So the vendor master has the payment term, the vendor has a payment term of NT30. So if I now go here, you see the credit block is, that's C. Okay, so in this way you can set a default payment block based on the payment terms. Now also there is one thing that you can also do is you can change the, there's this thing called baseline date. Okay, so you can change the baseline dates also. Okay, based on the payment terms. So if you notice here you can see, you can put, so by default it's documented, but you can change it to entry date, posting date. So here you can see this document date is here, vendor invoice date, posting date, and all those things, but you can always change the baseline date based on the payment terms. So you can put posting date, entry date. So this is very useful, and you can put different behavior based on the payment terms. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have a great day.